In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a free business website with Google Sites. If you want a clean, professional web presence without paying for hosting or writing code, this is a great place to start. We'll move step by step, keep it simple, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so you feel confident customizing everything. First, head to Google Sites. You can search for it or go directly to the Google Sites homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so your work saves automatically. You'll land on a dashboard where you can start a new site. From here, you have two options. You can click Make Your Own to start with a blank canvas, or pick a ready-made template that fits your business. Templates are perfect if you want a faster setup with pre-built sections like a hero header, services, and contact info. You can preview any template, and remember, everything is customizable later. Text, colors, images, and layout, so choose the structure that feels closest to what you need. Once your site opens, start by personalizing the header. Click the site name to enter your business name and upload a logo if you have one. You can change the header type to a larger banner or a compact style depending on how bold you want the top section to be. Replace the default header image with a high-quality photo that reflects your brand. Think your storefront, your team, or a clean graphic that matches your industry. Next, set your overall look. On the right, open the Themes panel to adjust colors and fonts. Pick a theme that suits your brand's personality and ensure there's good contrast for readability. Decide where you want your navigation, across the top or as a side panel, for a clean, familiar browsing experience. Now, refine the content sections. Click any text to edit headlines and paragraphs with clear, benefit-focused copy. Swap images by clicking and choosing Upload or selecting from your drive. Use the Insert panel to add buttons for actions like Book Now or Get a Quote. You can drag sections to reorder them and use columns to create balanced layouts. Keep spacing consistent, use descriptive alt text for images, and keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly. If your template includes multiple pages, open the Pages panel to rename or reorder them. Add new pages like About, Services, and Contact as needed, and make sure your buttons link to the right places. Use the preview icon to check how everything looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile, then fine-tune spacing and text size for clarity. That's it. Your free business website with Google Sites is taking shape with a professional, branded look.